Alright guys, listen. You're living outside of Kingston. You see things online that you want, and you think to yourself, how am I gonna get those items? Voila. That's your week on it. Very friendly shipping company that knows you, even if you live outside of Kingston and St. Andrew, to get your items almost university outside of Kingston and St. Andrew, right? So if you're in Negro, Mobile, anywhere outside of Kingston and St. Catherine, you send your items down to Knoxford Express. AC Comfort, don't worry yourself, you just go down to the Knoxford station. You don't have to bring no money in. So they with the ID, give them your receipt number, and voila, you get the packages. So listen, if you're outside of Kingston, remember me telling you, you have a shipping company. Go ahead, shop online, get the nice things that you want. We're going to get them done to you in AC Comfort. Okay? So if you live in Negril, Mobile, it no matter. We're going to get your packages to you, alright? So there's a link here. Click on the link. Join us today. Get your things from overseas in your hand. Alright? Catch you guys later. Bye!